Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Umisha Sachdev and we are here to discuss formal letter writing. अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें so that इस तरीके के वीडियोस आपको टाइमली मिल सके. So let's start our concept formal letter writing. As we start the concept formal letter writing, first we should understand what is letter. A letter is a written message that can be handwritten or printed on a piece of paper. There are different types of letter. Let's understand the types. Formal letter, informal letter, business letter, employment letter and circular letter. So there are different types of letter, but in this video we will focus on formal letter writing. So let's understand what is the meaning of formal letter.
A formal letter is a letter written in formal language in a formal format for official purpose. These are normally addressed to principal, manager, editor, officer, mayor, police, etc. So while writing these formal letters, following points should be kept in mind. Point number 1. Its objective is professional communication. Point number 2. Unnecessary words should be avoided. Point number 3. It should be straight and to the point. Point number 4. It should be polite even if it is complaint. So let's do the format of formal letter. Formal letter starts with sender's address. In this, we write the address of person who is sending the letter. In this, we write the address of person who is sending the letter. It is normally given in the question. After writing sender address, leave one line, then write date. Here, we have to write the date on which we are writing the letter. After writing the date, leave one line. Write receiver address. In receiver's address, we write the name and the designation of person to whom we are sending the letter. For example, the editor, the principal. After writing receiver's address, we write subject. It is necessary to write subject in formal letter. In subject, we mention the problem in 6 to 8 words. After writing the subject, leave one line, then we have to write the salutation. Salutation is the complimentary greeting. When we meet someone, we normally wish good morning, good afternoon. Similarly, in case of letter, we give complimentary greeting. If we don't know the gender of the person to whom we are writing the letter, we normally write sir. After writing salutation, leave one line. Now comes body of the letter. It should be in 2 to 5 paragraphs. Body of letter starts with introduction. In introduction, we introduce ourselves and the problem briefly. Then we write main content. What are the causes and the effect of the problem? Then comes conclusion. In conclusion, we write our suggestion to solve the problem. Then in last body of the letter, we write thanking you. After writing body of letter, we write complimentary close. For example, yours faithfully, truly. We never write apostrophe in yours. Then comes signature. If the name is not mentioned in the question, we should write ABC or XYZ. So let's revise the format one more time. First comes sender address, then we have to leave one line, date, leave one line, receiver address, then comes subject. After subject, leave one line, salutation. After salutation, leave one line, body of the letter. After body of the letter, leave one line, then comes your complimentary closing, then signature. So let's understand this formal letter with the help of one sample letter. So let's start. You are Kavita Khanna of 50C Pushp Vihar, Delhi. Write a letter to the editor of India Today, New Delhi, to express your views on article Ban Polybags, published on 26th August 2014. So letter will start with sender's address 50C Pushp Vihar, New Delhi. Then after that we will leave one line and will write the date which is given in the question 26th August 2014. After writing the date, leave one line, then comes receiver's designation and address. In question, editor of India Today is the receiver. So we will write the editor, India Today, New Delhi. So he is the receiver. So along with the receiver, we have written the designation. After that, write subject, ban poly bags. After writing the subject, leave one line, then we will write the salutation. As we don't know the gender of the receiver, so we will write sir. Now comes body of letter. We will start with our introduction. I totally agree with the views published in the article Ban Polybags. It is a fact that polybags are harmful due to their non-biodegradable nature. They don't decompose, instead they choke the drainage system. Now in this we are writing the main content also. Most animals eat them and die in the long run. If they are burnt, their obnoxious smell pollutes the atmosphere. So after this we will write the conclusion, we'll change the paragraph. I request the people at large, in their interest and in the interest of Mother Earth, to wake up to this problem. Everyone should stop using polybags, jute bags, paper bag, etc. should take their place. So we have written what measure should be taken. In the end we are writing thank you. After that we are writing the complimentary clause yours truly, and in the end we are writing the name which is given in the question, Kavita Khanna. This format is according to the board exam pattern. So this can be used for right from the class 4th to class 12th. There are few sample letters which are given in the description. You can check those letters to check your understanding. Thanks for watching the video.